Hey guys, Brownlock 67 here. Today we have a LSDA 300 padlock that a person sent me. They have two of these and they were having a little problem understanding them and what was going on. You see he had this key and one like it. Notice it is a Schlage keyway. It's an LSDA key with the 300, matching the 300 on the cylinder here. This has been filed a little. I believe he said it wouldn't fit perfectly. But anyway, he said it was weird. He couldn't really get it to pick. But he said this key goes in and opens it. I want to know what was going on. It doesn't make any... couldn't figure out. Well, the thing is, this is a neuter bow. This is actually a SC4 blank. This is an SC1 blank. And get it in here. What it is this is a key retaining, as you can see. Well, if the key was cut, you wouldn't be able to pull it out, but you know, it will not turn back until you lock it up. There it goes. And he was wanting to know if they were, what was going on with them. Well, both this one and the one that he has are actually 0-bitted. So we can take the key out there, and unfortunately, of course, I don't have a inspection light handy, which makes sense, but there is a little silver pin in there that, when pushed down, when you get it pushed down, I'll try this pick here. Trying to do this with the camera in front of me is pretty difficult here. That's not good enough. We'll try this here. I can't get it with that either. Where's mother? There's mother. We'll have to do this off camera, guys. But there's a pin in there. And once you get it done, pushed in, the shackle will come off. And the cylinder will slide out. There's one ball bearing. There's the other ball bearing. So you got two ball bearings. I believe the shackle spring will not come out, but you can see you can see the shackle spring down there. There it is. So there's the shackle spring, and of course the shackle. Now this is completely gutted. And here's the cylinder. This is the spring-loaded pin, as you can see. Let go of that. As you can see, you get in there and it's spring loaded. That is what holds it in place. It is, like I said, it's zero bitted. Go like that. We can get the C-clip off here. And again, trying to do this in front of the camera is just a pain in the butt. See if we can zoom in a bit. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Get this. There you go. Come here, you. There's the clip. And like I said, this is zero bitted. And I'm not sure whether that is spring loaded or not. Which it is not. Okay. Well, I'm sort of at a loss, guys. I don't know why you would order it zero bitted. I don't know. I'm wondering if someone actually made this key retaining, because I am not absolutely positively sure. Let me try something. Don't see any pliers around here, so let's get that back there. I'll get my really need that on there. Let's bring that back up to a zoom here. There you go. There's the pin that comes out. Okay, solve that problem. Well, we don't want to. We can do this. Oh. Okay, we're probably going to have to use a shim because of that groove in there. So zoom back out here. So we got the shim. Hard to do that left-hander here. Okay. That shim in there. And we'll get the follower. Okay. There you go. You got the housing here. Yeah, those pins didn't drop at all, did they? Use this little Allen wrench here. Let's zoom that in. Get it. We got the come on, focus. There we go. Focus. Okay. Let's zoom that out. And we'll get this dumped here. There's 1, 2. 3. Hey, got in the right one. All right. 4. We'll move that later. Yeah, let's just hit both of them at the same time there. Boom, boom. There you go. Get my tweezers here. So we got zoom in there. Okay. Those are all Schlag, let's see. I think Schlag's a 0. So those are all 0 pins. So get it zoomed out again. So there you have it, the 300 0 bitted, tore down, and let's see, put those back over there, and why not key it up to this key here? This is a nice cutaway. We'll zoom in for you. Nice cutaway here. It's got 1 spool in it. We're not going to be picking anything, but there you go. So that'll be the bitting for this key here, or this lock here. But that'll be another video. That is just a little tiny pen. Okay. Who stole my tweezers? We'll use these tweezers here. We'll zoom in on that. Focus. That is the retaining pin. That really doesn't look like it's machined. Come on, focus. Okay, well, let's drop this down. Okay, does that look factory, or does that look homemade? Somebody that has more knowledge of the 300. Tell us. Because I would think that pin would be machined. If I was doing it, I would like maybe have it screw in instead of just slide in there. Because there's the hole. And I'll zoom out there. There we go. Because that's all the farther it goes in. So somebody let us know. If the 300 can be ordered key retaining, or did some locksmith, whoever had these, decide, hey, I can make these key retaining by cutting that out and putting a pin in there. Well, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps if you run into one that you can put a key blank in and turn the cylinder. I might do a, yeah, I probably should do a picking video on a 0-bitted lock, because they are real finicky. Even though they're essentially no cuts and all the, all of them are the same depth, they're really weird on the feedback. So, but like I said, it's getting late here. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So thanks for watching. I'll have this keyed up and everything in the next video. Bye.